I'll have £1.5 to £2 million in 5 years and plan to be semi-retiring. Will I be okay? I hope so. I really hope so. Now, my husband and I are running the numbers to semi-retire in 5 years' time. We will still have about 300k left on the mortgage, and we both plan to continue working 3 days a week for another 5 years to fund the lifestyle and pay for kids' uni. Now, we live a relatively simple lifestyle anyway, inexpensive hobbies, holiday a couple of times a year, maybe about £4,000 on each holiday, a new car every 10 years or so, and no private school fees. Now, we could make approximately 90,000 each working 3 days a week, and we don't plan to spend from the retirement pot. We want to continue to put in 8% each into pensions. I'm not taking into account any state pension in my calculations yet. Are my numbers okay? Does this sound like a feasible plan? I mean, yeah, definitely. I think in my head, if I run some really simple numbers, if you had a pot of £2 million when you retire and you grew that pot by 5% a year, that would give you an income of £100,000 a year. I would say from the description you've given me, you could both live off £100,000 a year quite comfortably in retirement. So your answer's there, you've already done enough. What you can then do with the mortgage, two options. You can choose just to pay what's left off when you retire, or you can well afford to just drip feed those payments through over the coming years like you're currently doing. But I think either way round, you'll be absolutely fine. So well done, really great work. I think you're absolutely fine. Even if you have £1.5 million, I think you're more than in a great place. If you or someone else that you know has any questions, comment advice and I'll come back to you with my thoughts.